are you doing? Is it on? What are you doing? You excited for this? Okay, let's try again. Ready?
Did it go down the first time?
He tasted a little bit. Ooh. You didn't really push it out, though. A little bit.
That fuck's pretty gross.
Don't eat the dip. Alright, let's try one more. Another scoop. He's opening his mouth, though. What do you think? This is progress. Open up, little birdie. You want to feed yourself? Here, feed yourself. No?
No.
He's eating a little bit, though. What do you think, Missy? Missy boy. Okay. I think it was a good attempt.
You're calling it. So what do you... see, it doesn't zoom back out.